Welcome to this guide on changing your country on LinkedIn using your PC. Whether you're relocating or just want to update your profile, this process is straightforward. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon usually features your profile picture. Next, click on the Me icon, and from the drop-down menu, select View Profile. This action will take you to your profile page where you can make various edits. Now locate and click on Settings and Privacy. This option will be found in the menu that appears after clicking the Me icon. Once you're in the Settings section, look for Account Preferences. This is where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Under Account Preferences, you will see a section labeled Profile Information. Here, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This section allows you to edit important details related to your profile, including your location. Now, focus on the Location field. You will see an option to change your country. Click on it and select your desired country from the drop-down menu. Make sure to choose the correct country that reflects your current situation or preference. After making your selection, don't forget to click on Save at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial as it finalizes the changes you've made to your profile. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your country on LinkedIn using your PC. Keeping your profile information current is essential for networking and job opportunities, so make sure to revisit this setting whenever necessary. Thank you for following along with these steps. Happy networking on LinkedIn.